Yeah. Yeah, it was like a panel mount though.
Oh, rack mount?
Yeah.
No, mine was a panel mount, but it actually had a case.
Yeah, it's like a kind of a brown case to
Yeah,
it.
This
would
did not have a case.
corners, but you could pull it out of the case and put it in a rack.
Okay. You did turn the power on when you tested it, right?
Mommy.
Plugged in, yeah.
So, Chris, did you bring any t-shirts?
Well, at some point,
I don't
the
have
meter.
No, sorry.
needs
These are all
deflect.
the campaign stuff. We'll have that on demand sooner.
All right.
Although those look different. I think Dave posted a picture of that. Because like the other one, it got real washed out, like the meter did. That, and so did the lettering. It's not as like relieved or like as faded and stuff. So.
This is the one that was done by the artist?
Yeah. Yep, she's pretty awesome. So I gotta send her more stuff, but gotta get some ideas first. You guys got ideas for t-shirts?
Nope.
No? You'll get something?
I did see one that kind of is designed to look like a skeleton that's being electrocuted.
I like that, yeah.
I get royalties.
Oh, you have? Oh, no, you don't have one yet. Okay.
Planning room.
Gotcha. You'll get that. There we go.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah, that's about what I expected.
Looks like HP.